Greetings, folks. Today we got a quick one. We got a nice center console in the Tacoma. It's a little smaller than previous generations, but to combat the smallness of it, I've got a couple of different options here to add a little extra storage. First is this drop-in tray. It just sets right in here, like so. It's got a couple of rubber mats that come out, so you can put some loose stuff in here, pull this out, have some additional stuff underneath. Already got several quarters in there. My family visits Aldi periodically, so you need a quarter for the cart. The other piece, this actually sits up in the top here. This gives you a little extra storage compartment right up in top. I'm going to close this just to make sure it closes. Yep, closes just fine. So I won't have a problem once, of course it just fell out. Won't have a problem once it's stuck in there. There's some 3M double-sided tape around the edges. Probably not 3M, probably a Chinese knockoff, but it'll work. They have these pads that you use to make sure everything is clean. I'll pull one of these out. Make sure the plastic that I'm going to adhere to is clean. I'll pull the strips off and stick it in place. It smells like model cement. Actually makes the plastic very dark. It's very interesting. Definitely don't want to set that on the upholstery. From my understanding, yeah, it goes this way. I believe I have to wait for that to dry, which is good because this will probably take me a moment to get the tape off from here. There we go. It's not so bad to get off. Not nearly as bad as the dash cam. Got it started, I just can't get a hold of it. Yeah, by the time I get all the adhesive tape off, it will be dry. I'll just have these two little pieces right here. A little trouble with these. Start from the other end. Last one. I'm trying not to let this touch anything so I don't end up sticking it to the upholstery or myself. That seems good. Go. Right up and in. All right, this opens just by pushing on it. The door opens, you can slide papers or some pens or a small pad of paper, any kind of odds and ends in there. And there you have it. I have a more organized center console. I hope this helps. We'll catch you in the next video. Have a good one.